In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Microsoft Word. Rotating an image in Microsoft Word is useful when you need to change the direction of a picture or adjust its position to fit your document layout. Word gives you several simple ways to rotate an image, including rotating it manually or choosing a specific rotation angle. To begin, open your Word document and select the image you want to rotate. Once the image is selected, Word will display the Picture Format tab on the ribbon. This tab contains several tools that you can use to adjust and format the selected picture. Look for the Arrange section and select Rotate. A menu will appear with several rotation options. You can choose Rotate Right 90 degrees to turn the image clockwise by 90 degrees. You can also choose Rotate Left 90 degrees if you want to turn it in the opposite direction. If you want to flip the image instead, the same Rotate menu includes options for flipping it horizontally or vertically. These options change the orientation of the image while keeping its overall size and position. You can also rotate the image manually. With the picture selected, look for the rotation handle that appears above the image. Click and drag this handle in the direction you want to rotate the picture. This method gives you more control when you need a custom angle rather than a standard 90-degree rotation. If you need to rotate the image by an exact angle, select Rotate and then choose More Rotation options. From there, you can specify the exact rotation amount you want to apply to the image. This is useful when you need a precise angle for a particular document layout. Keep in mind that rotating an image is different from rotating the entire Word document. If your goal is to change the orientation of the entire page, such as turning a portrait page into landscape, you need to change the page orientation instead of rotating an individual image. To change the document orientation, go to the Layout tab and select Orientation. From there, you can choose Portrait or Landscape, depending on how you want the page to appear. So if you only need to turn a picture, use the Rotate options under the Picture Format tab. If you want to turn the entire page 90 degrees, change the document's page orientation using the Layout tab. And that's it. You've now learned how to rotate an image in Microsoft Word and how to change the orientation of a Word document when you need the entire page turned. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,